Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the device and confirming the mic works. Do a quick test phrase to check levels. Once done, open Chatgpt and state your dictation goal clearly so the model formats output correctly. Make sure to enable microphone access in your browser or app settings and pick a quiet space with minimal echoes. Say a short test sentence. Listen back and adjust distance. This first step prevents wasted time and sets you up for clean, accurate transcription. Now configure how you want the output. Ask for timestamps, speaker labels, or a summary and tell Chatgpt which format to use. Then dictate in clear chunks, pause between sentences, and say comma or period when precision matters. If multiple speakers talk, name them aloud. Host : then speak. Use specific prompts like transcribe verbatim or summarize key points mid-session to switch modes. Keep a steady pace. Clarity beats speed for accuracy and easier editing later. Finish by reviewing the transcript and editing names, acronyms, and technical terms for accuracy. Once edited, export the text via copy-paste, download, or connect it to note-taking or project tools. If something sounds off, pause and redictate that segment. Make sure your mic gain isn't too high and remove background sources. If problems persist, reposition the mic closer and speak slower, or try a different device. This final pass ensures a polished, usable dictation output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.